We have huge news for the crypto space, the non-fungible token space. Everyone that's on the internet is very excited. There's a new article from CNBC, and we'll talk about it right now. We have to talk about it. But before we start, give me a like for the YouTube algorithm. Each like helps out the channel a lot. Subscribe if you're new. We're currently sitting at 15,400 subscribers, which is great. The goal is to hit 100K by the end of the year. Hit the bell notification when you subscribe, because we upload over 20 of these videos every single day for your value. If you want to get the hottest cryptocurrencies first, before everyone else, you already know what to do. You should subscribe with bell notifications on, and keep in mind, this video is not financial advice. So, look at that. CNBC is right again with a new article. A Coinbase-backed startup quietly powering the NFT boom raises new funding. And look at those beautiful faces. The San Francisco is a very politically correct company. The San Francisco-based company announced an 80 million Series B funding round on Wednesday, led by Cotin. In addition, the new cash injection brings Alchemy's valuation to roughly $500 million. How cool is that? Crypto, everything everything that has crypto in its name is worth a lot right now. Crypto, add NFT, add .finance to the name, and it's worth a lot. Silicon Valley is interested in funding this startups, but it's really exciting for the crypto space if you're invested in it. If you haven't, I have a list with the top exchanges in the link in the description down below with the lowest fees to buy the main coins like Binance and other ones. If the video helped you out, give me a like. I want to see you in one of the next videos.